Ufakazi wombuso wesibili utshela inkantolo ukuthi wathola umyalelo emaphoyiseni ukuba aqaphe imoto yohlobo lweHyundai i20 emhlophe neMercedes-Benz eyayilandelwa ngabakwasidlodlo okusolakala ukuthi yayithinteka ekubulaweni kuka-Aman Swart. UKekana osolwa ngokuba yinkabi waboshwa ngoMbasa ngo-2024 malungana nokuthinteka ecaleni lokubulawa kwaSwart.
I could confirm by the build of his face and the mustard long sleeve shirt that it was the same driver as I noticed in the I-20.
Mr. Shepherd, I just want you to have a look at the three gentlemen, if they stand up, and see if you recognize any one of them.
Yes, ma'am, I do. Only one of the gentleman to the far left.
As accused number one.
Yes, ma'am.
Let the record show, my lord, that accused number one, Musa Kekana, is pointed out by the witness.
Mr. Kekana, just put your hands up. Is that the gentleman?
That's the gentleman, my lord.
UKekana ukuchithile ubufakazi obethulwe ufakazi wombuso. Icala lizoqhubeka ngomsombuluko.
Can you recall whether you saw Captain Totesi there?